Hello, I'm Amy from Automotive. Today I will introduce the differences between the top 1 injection molding machine in China and the top Japanese injection molding machine. This is our Haitian injection molding machine, which is domestically developed and produced injection molding machine and has been recognized by the others plastic industry. It has advantages in clamping force and producing large molds. And the hydraulic system is relatively mature and stable in technology, making it more suitable to producing internal components and large products such as automotive parts. This is our FANUC injection molding machine, the award-renowned brand of injection molding machine. FANUC was the first company in the world to launch a fully electric injection molding machine, which led to a major technological revolution in injection molding machine. All-electric injection molding has great advantages in speed, precision, energy efficiency, and environment. And all the electric systems has lower energy consumption, low noise, and less maintenance requirements, resulting in lower long-term use costs. At the same time, it can provide process control and produce plastics with more thickness as low as 0.3 millimeters or even more thinner, mainly used in producing high accuracy requirement products such as automotive precision parts, electric housings, medical devices, and so on. As an injection molding manufacturer, how would you choose?